This is Chris Kelly with another edition of your Friday Throwdown. Okay, so it's raining, I'm in my nightshirt, and you get to see another side of me today. But I'm here to demonstrate a couple exercises that you might not be too familiar with. And the scheme today is 30-20-10. So we have 3 exercises. We begin with 30 of the first, perform 30 times. Immediately going to the second exercise, which is performed for 20. And then the last one, which is going to be performed for 10. So, and it kind of goes in descending order. The first one is kind of easy, the second one is a little harder, and the third one is brutal. So the last 2 I am going to demonstrate to you. Alright, so alternating Spider-Man is our 30 rep exercise. I think that's pretty familiar to everyone. You know, if you want to add a little bit of difficulty, simply put in a push-up, alright? That'll make it much harder. Our second exercise is one that you might not be familiar with. It's called a star press or a star jump. Okay, and a star jump looks like this. You just squat down, jump and press. Okay, and you're just kind of hitting your arms out like that. What you can do to make that harder is simply hold on to maybe 3 to 5 pound dumbbells, cans, whatever you have at home. That's a killer exercise because it's working everything. The beginner version of that would just be a squat to press in that fashion. Do it 20 times and your arms will be very tired, I can promise you that. So that's our 20 rep. For 10, we're going to do a half burpee, and I'm just going to demonstrate here because the camera angle doesn't really lend itself to being on the floor. So all it is, you're in a push-up position with the burpee. You're just jumping in and out. So I'm not actually kind of jumping into a standing position. I'm just jumping my feet in and out. Okay, that's for 10. That's really tough. Obviously, the beginner version of that would be to be on a chair. You know, you can move to the floor and that kind of thing. But that's our circuit. 15 minutes. Set your clock. Time it, and let's see how many times you can get down that ladder. Thanks again.